So here's some before shots. Here's the after. What's up, my lazy lifers? Hey, welcome back. Today we're gonna have a little fun. This will be one of my first installs I'm gonna do for all the carbon fiber gear that I'm gonna be putting on this car. Today we're gonna do that right there. This is the carbon fiber grill trim cover. All right, and it goes right there like that, and should look pretty good. It's gonna be pretty easy. Here's the tools that we're gonna be needing. Some alcohol, a clean rag, the part of course, a razor blade, and this is the tape they provided me, so I'm just gonna use it anyways. I wanna put this bad boy on me and we're gonna get started, all right? So here's some before shots. All right, let's turn this guy around and give it a good cleaning. Soak this up pretty good. Oh, something. All right, turn it to a clean side and we'll do the grill. I've already clay barred this whole car the other day, and I re-washed it last night or yesterday, so it's pretty clean. It's gonna have a great spot to adhere to. We are gonna double tape up top up there, down here. Let's go ahead and put that on here. It doesn't have to be perfect because no one's gonna see inside here. You do want that big flat part to be on the chrome part of your trim. Watch out, don't slide your hand up there, you can get it cut. Didn't want too much fingerprint on that one. The oils will not let it stick. Sorry. And really press it in there. As you can see, I'm not an expert, and I've actually never done this before. So I'm gonna start that off right there, and then on the bottom side, here we go. All right, so I gotta start it up here and here. Now you gotta remember, there's your tabs, there's your red one, there's your red one. So you're gonna line up as best as you can. All right, so I stuck the top part up there. Oh, what did that do out of there? Now I heard about what the hell? That didn't stick at all. It's not that good of tape. Alright, we're back, and I picked up some 3M tape. Supposed to be for the auto, supposed to be really good. I had to pick up 3 of these rolls just in case. But you can tell this stuff is thicker, so hopefully it'll get a better bite. Sorry for the wind. I have no control over that. Let's do both sides and then I'll use the heat gun. I don't know, should I put on this top part up here or the bottom part? Probably this part because it's wider. Alright, we'll do that. Oh no. This is why I bought extra rolls. Okay. Now let's see if we can. Alright, so I've got a little secret. So when you put these on, some people have been complaining about a little bit of chrome showing through. I've got a little secret. How did I get that on here? Here we go. So, and this didn't get off with alcohol, so if I make a mistake or whatever, See? Get rid of all the chrome that might show through beforehand. And I'll probably get hate comments. But it comes off with alcohol, so here we go. Moment of truth. I'm pressing deep. This stuff is staying on for as much as this cost. Alright. Yeah. Way better than that tape they had. Alright. Oh shit. Man. Alright. Here we go. Alright, now press it in. Now you guys can see that I'm pressing so hard to move my car. Try not to crack or break anything. Alright, you don't see any chrome trim up here. None down there. Oh, it's looking good. Let's heat this bad boy up. See a little piece right there, right? There you go. Told you guys. Alright. Now it's a little bit off up in this corner. I just take some of the Sharpie off. Yeah, it's definitely not perfect. So here's some before shots. Here's the after. Looks really good. I think it looks really good. Took a lot of chrome away. And now it just shows that carbon fiber. So let's wrap this up. I'll put the price in the description and where I bought it from and such. I don't know, for the price, wasn't that bad. Install was pretty easy. A couple things I did learn: don't use the provided cheap tape. All stuff can work for crap. The 3M worked really well, so I really like that. I did put the black marker on top to cover up any chrome trim, and you don't see any now. And I think it looks good. It gives it an aggressive look. Carbon fiber to me always looks good. So thanks for joining in, guys. Hope you liked it. Hope you learned some of these mistakes and stuff like that I just made. And we'll see you later in the next episode. All right? Peace. Happy lazy life.
Next level,
Lazy.
Life for us is
Lazy.
life for us. Static 3 we get drinks. Static says we get drinks. It's
Lazy.
life